What if Gojo was in Naruto? So it's like if Gojo was Kakashi. This is from Anime Laughs. I think that's who made this. He does, or I don't know if it's a he or a company, or there's loads of them anyway. But this one's good. So I'm on a landscape page, use a pencil, use an eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. So we're going to start kind of with his nose. So it's kind of like the line for the mask as well. So we'll curve, we'll go like this way, diagonally. And then the tip of his nose seems to like come back around just in there. So it's like a letter L. And then we have a nostril just there. And then the mask itself bumps down. So it's not Kakashi, it's Gojo's mask. So it goes this way. So it's covering his eyes. And the other side of it is just like here behind the nose. And they put actually the leaf headband sort of over his eyes. So we just go down now the mouth. So this kind of curves back. It's about there. And we can see teeth, right? So we'll open it up. So we'll go down for the bottom lip. And then it goes in. And then back up to where we started. And we just give him some teeth. And then a bottom lip. And then we get his chin just down here. So we just join this up to his face. So it curves around his cheek there, and then it goes in and out to the chin. So it goes like this way. And on this side we get his jaw. So it'll go pretty straight that way. And then it goes up towards his ear, which is just in this gap between the headband and the jaw then. Got a bit of a hair sideburn just here. And then we have ear lines inside. So then the back of the headband then, bumping out here, and then comes all the way to the front. So it'll like curve across the top of his head. Down just, and it kind of like disappears behind the metal plate that's here. So the metal plate sort of bumps out a bit. And then we have those metal studs. And then, you know, it's a steel plate, so it's got like edges. And then we have the spiral for the leaf. And you just add a little spike coming off the front of that then. And then we have like some lines like so. Just some folding lines on the fabric of his eye band. I'm going to say headband, but it's not. So, so his hair. So we got like his long sort of hair coming off the back here. It's coming out from behind, and then there's the little sort of headband thing that sticks off. And then we get big Kakashi style hair, right? So it's not like Gojo's hair. Well, it kind of is, but it's more like Kakashi's hair, I think. So we just get all these sort of spikes coming out here in the corner first. And then you just travel this way then. So they always remind me of shark fins. You just keep going in this fashion till we get all the way to the other side of his head. Oh yeah, and we meet his hand actually in here. So the hair on this side goes behind his fist, which is there. So we have one more hair spike here. But then he has like a fist just against his, like his temple. He's like leaning onto his fist. And they don't do much detail in this, so we can draw it pretty easily, I think. So we go this way with it. This is like the back of his fist. And then the other side comes out from sort of down here. And it goes down to his wrist. So it's easy because we can't see any fingers or anything. It's just like the back of his hand sort of against his head. And then like this arm. Travels down this way. And it just goes down to like his elbow down here somewhere. But it's very like loose clothing, you know. Okay, so we'll get like his body in now, so we can see, so on his neck, so we can see kind of like his Adam's apple sort of area here. And then he's got that black high collar and the neck muscle line there. And then we have the armored big collar. It comes around this way. Down and in. This comes across and down. Like that. We have another one on this side. So it comes out around his head. So it comes out here. This box-like collar. It's got like a little thing on it here. And then he has a midsection, so it like bumps down either side. It's got like a zipper on it, and then it like folds behind his belly. All these folding lines just here. This is like the zipper area. And we should, maybe we'd see like a little bit of his sort of collarbone or something in there. And then we have straps sitting on his shoulders with buttons inside. And then side body. And then his back up here. He's got pockets and all that, but we'll get his shoulder in first. Shoulder coming down this way. And then yeah, this is just his arm then going off down here. Again, very loose clothing. And then we have this strap on this side, so it's bigger obviously because this shoulder is bigger. There's a button in here. And boom, boom. And then like this is just like his back sort of going down here. Right, we have that red spiral. And then pockets, like utility belt stuff, you know. So it's like a box really with these lines on it. We do a set of these over here, just like a rectangle on top, going diagonal, and then the end of the pockets here. You know, you could do little extra lines on them if you wanted, you know, there's like stitching and all that kind of stuff. You can make them as complicated as you want. You can go uber level detail or just basic. And then there's like some like stitching edge lines and fold lines all on this. And I think we can just see like his belly sort of around here, and then his knee coming up, and it, like so like his arm is sitting on his knee, right? So the arm goes like this way. His knee is in there, and then the top of the other shoulder got some folding lines on it, and another sort of red spiral thing. And then where we put his knee, see I can't see the knee in the picture, so if I was knee, where would I be? So we'll go like the inside where it folds there, so that means there I would be. I think that look right? Yeah, I think so. Boom, bum bum bum, boom boom boom, bing bong boom, boom boom. Kakashi. No, it's not Gojo. Wait, who is it? Wait a minute. I'm confused now. Is it Kakashi? Yes. It's Gojo. I was actually confused. I'm not joking. I was like, who am I drawing again? You draw so much. I was like, wait, what is this? Gojo in Naruto. Hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching. Thanks for support. It means a lot. You guys rock. I still can't believe this channel is as big as it is. I don't understand. I love it though. This is so much fun. I can't believe I'm lucky enough to do this. Like I'm ranting now about like life stuff. Oh, we had a hard week in my house last week. It was crazy. Health stuff, ambulances and all that. Thank you. Anyway, thank you. I must say, whoever's listening to this, thank you so much for liking, subscribing, watching. It's awesome. Cheers. See you in the next one. Bye.